Hello again, everyone. Picture yourself rising each day with renewed strength, boundless energy, and a readiness to conquer whatever comes your way, all while leaving behind concerns about muscle loss as the years go by. Today, we're exploring a subject that has the potential to change your life for the better. Discover the ultimate farewell to muscle loss with these 7 powerhouse foods that combat sarcopenia. If you've ever questioned why your muscles may feel less robust as time goes on, or if you're seeking natural methods to enhance your strength and vitality, stay tuned. These foods are set to transform your experience. Before we dive in, please take a moment to click that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. By taking this straightforward step, you not only keep yourself informed with our latest health tips, but you also demonstrate your commitment to caring for your body. Your support is invaluable and inspires us to continue delivering the finest guidance for a healthier lifestyle. In this video, we'll simplify each food item for you, beginning with number 7 and working our way down to the top choice at number 1. Discover a straightforward guide packed with actionable tips. Whether you're just starting your journey towards healthy eating or aiming to refine your diet, you've come to the perfect spot. Embark on your path to enhanced muscle health today. 7. Quinoa is a remarkable grain that has garnered admiration for centuries due to its exceptional nutritional advantages. This tiny seed delivers an impressive boost of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, proving that great things come in small packages. Quinoa stands out for its remarkable ability to provide all 9 essential amino acids, establishing it as a complete protein source that effectively aids in muscle repair and growth. The high fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer, making it a great choice for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight while building strong muscles. With its subtle, nutty taste and adaptable texture, quinoa seamlessly fits into a variety of dishes, whether you're whipping up a fresh salad, a comforting soup, a robust side, or even replacing rice in your favorite recipes. Incorporating quinoa into your daily meals provides your muscles with essential nourishment, ensuring they remain strong and prepared for any challenge that comes your way. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a standout choice, offering a delightful taste and a wealth of nutrients that are fantastic for supporting your muscles. By straining regular yogurt, we achieve a thicker texture and significantly boost the protein content. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, making it an excellent option for muscle repair and growth. It's perfect for post-workout recovery or as a nutritious addition to your daily meals. Greek yogurt not only delivers a hefty dose of protein, but is also packed with calcium, essential for strong bones and optimal muscle function. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics that enhance your digestion, helping your body efficiently absorb essential nutrients. Enjoy it plain, blend it with fruits, or drizzle a touch of honey for sweetness. Greek yogurt is a delicious option to keep your muscles energized and healthy all day long. 5. Salmon is not just a tasty fish. It's a nutritional powerhouse that promotes muscle health in numerous ways. This is an exceptional source of omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their ability to reduce inflammation and accelerate muscle recovery post-exercise. By reducing inflammation, your muscles can recover more quickly, allowing you to sustain strength and endurance in the long run. In addition to omega-3s, salmon boasts an abundance of high-quality protein, delivering the essential building blocks crucial for muscle repair and growth. This product provides an array of essential vitamins, including B12 and D, along with vital minerals like selenium, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining a vibrant and energetic body. Incorporating salmon into your meals, whether baked, grilled, or steamed, offers a delicious and impactful approach to enhancing your muscle health and overall wellness. 4. Eggs. Eggs stand out as a remarkably adaptable and nutrient-dense food, significantly contributing to the enhancement of muscle health. These are among nature's finest sources of high-quality protein, crucial for repairing and building muscles following intense activity. Every egg is a powerhouse of amino acids, the essential building blocks of muscle tissue that your body craves for optimal recovery and growth. In addition to being a protein powerhouse, eggs are packed with essential vitamins such as vitamin D, vital for maintaining strong bones, and vitamin B12, which plays a key role in energy production. These are also abundant in essential minerals like selenium and choline, which enhance overall wellness. Regardless of whether you enjoy your eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, adding eggs to your meals is an intelligent choice to provide your muscles with the essential nutrients required for strength and resilience. Incorporating eggs into your balanced diet not only aids in muscle recovery, but also delivers a delicious, energy-boosting meal perfect for any time of day. 3. Spinach. Spinach transcends the role of a mere leafy green. It stands as a nutrient powerhouse, delivering remarkable advantages for your muscles. This colorful vegetable is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as vital minerals such as magnesium and iron, all of which contribute significantly to muscle function and overall physical strength. Spinach is packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding muscle cells from harm and facilitating quicker recovery post-exercise. Moreover, spinach is a great source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and enhancing your body's ability to absorb nutrients effectively. Incorporating spinach into your meals is effortless. Just toss it into salads, blend it into a refreshing smoothie, or sauté it lightly for a delicious side dish. Incorporating this nutrient-rich green into your daily meals provides your muscles with essential support, ensuring they remain strong, repair effectively, and perform optimally. Almonds. Almonds are more than just a tasty and satisfying snack. They are a nutritional powerhouse essential for supporting healthy muscles. These tiny powerhouses are packed with protein, vital for repairing muscle fibers post-workout, and they provide a generous serving of essential fatty acids. Almonds boast a high content of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that safeguards your muscles from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. Their elevated magnesium levels enhance muscle function by facilitating both contraction and relaxation. Enjoying a handful of almonds as a snack or incorporating them into your meals offers a reliable energy boost, diminishes muscle inflammation, and accelerates your body's recovery after physical activities. Incorporating almonds into your diet means indulging in a delicious snack while simultaneously providing your muscles with the essential support they require to become stronger and more resilient over time. 1. Chicken breast. At the forefront of our selection is chicken breast, an undeniable leader in the realm of muscle-building nutrition. This lean meat is highly valued for its premium protein content, crucial for the repair and growth of muscle tissue. Chicken breast boasts a low fat content, making it a fantastic option for those aiming to uphold a balanced diet while pursuing their fitness aspirations. The protein content provides all the essential amino acids your body requires for muscle building and repair, particularly following an intense workout. Chicken breast is a culinary chameleon, effortlessly adapting to your cooking style, be it grilling, baking, or stir-frying, and seamlessly fitting into countless dishes. This also delivers essential nutrients such as B vitamins, which play a crucial role in transforming food into energy and ensuring your metabolism operates efficiently. Incorporating chicken breast into your meals consistently guarantees that your muscles obtain the essential nutrients needed to remain strong, recover swiftly, and excel in performance. We truly appreciate your time and engagement in exploring these insights with us. Thank you for watching. We trust that you discovered the information to be both valuable and motivating as you begin your path to building stronger, healthier muscles. Keep in mind that achieving success requires unwavering consistency. The little adjustments you make in your daily diet and lifestyle can lead to remarkable transformations over time. If this video inspired you or sparked new ideas for positive change, we'd love for you to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more clear and impactful health tips. Your support is essential in enabling us to produce content that inspires you to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Stay committed to your wellness journey, continue progressing, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Embrace your path to enhanced health and vitality.